Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Okay everyone, so for today's video, I am going to teach you how to check your gift card on Amazon. So first what you're going to do is to open your Amazon account. This one, just click on it and then it will redirect you to your home page on Amazon. And then you just go here, click on account and then go down, click account. And then you have here the options. So let's go to gift cards. So if you are a customer, you can see here a gift card and then it will get you to your reload your balance or redeem a gift card. As of now, my account do not have any balance, but if your account has a balance, you can redeem. Just click the redeem gift card and then you will be given a code in which you are going to input here and just click apply to your balance and then you will be redeeming your balance. That's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.